Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 7 of the ICT Level 2 exam preparation worksheet.
In this exercise we need to calculate the profit of a minibus company. The petrol custom £1.45 and the minivan completes 3.1 miles per litre. Let's start by formatting the table, applying all borders and change fill color for the heading. First, we calculate the fuel cost. We need to divide the distance by the miles per litre, then multiply by price per litre, applying the absolute reference for both cell B17 and C17. Select cell E7 and type equal, select cell C7, divide by C17, press the F4 key to enable the absolute reference, then multiply by B17, and press F4 key to enable the absolute reference again and enter to finalize the formula. Drag down the fill handle. Now we calculate the charge. In column F, we need to use the formula IF to calculate the charge. When the distance is 30 miles or more, the charge is £20 per person. If it is smaller than 30 miles, the charge is £10 per person. Let's start. Select E7 equal if open brackets C7 smaller than 30, 10, 20 close brackets and press enter to finalize the formula. Drag down the fill handle. Then, we need to calculate the incomes. We need to multiply the charge by the number of guests. Select G7, type equal, F7, times, D7, press enter to finalize the formula. Pull down the fill handle to apply the formula to the whole column. To calculate the profit we need to select the incomes and minus the fuel cost. So, select cell H7, equal G7, minus E7, and press enter to finalize the formula. Drag down the fill handle. Then we need the total profit. Select cell H14, click on the auto sum, select from cell H7 to cell H12 and press enter to finalize the formula. We need to create a graph now, to show the fuel cost. We will select from cell B7 to cell B12, hold down the control button, select from cell E7 to cell E12 and press the F11 button on the keyboard, to generate the chart. We need to rename the chart tab as C8 and move it after E7. At last we need to use the conditional formatting to identify the 3 attractions that produce the most profit. Select from cell H7 to cell H12. Go to the Home tab and select the conditional formatting drop-down. Select the option Top Bottom Rules, select the option Top 10 Items, then change the number to 3, and press OK. The spreadsheet will highlight the top 3 profits. Now feel free to play with this formatting for both the graph and the table.
There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.